Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya Deshpande. Currently, I am pursuing mechanical engineering from VJTI, Mumbai. I enrolled into VRaZ Academy after my board exam for my JEE and MHT-CET preparation. As you all know, the 2020 year was really difficult for us because of a tragic COVID-19 pandemic situation and also because of our exam which was kept getting postponed. Also, the mode of teaching was shifted from offline mode to a difficult online mode. But amazing faculties at VRaZ Academy made this transition really smooth and never let us feel any kind of pressure due to any outside situation. Actually, I was a student who has a lot of confidence issues in exams. But teachers at VRaZ Academy always kept me motivating whenever I felt out of confidence. Also, they taught me according to my learning abilities at my own learning speed, which made the concept learning with these amazing teachers really enjoyable process. Teachers at VRaZ are really passionate and dedicated about the result of the students. So they were 24/7 available for me for my doubts discussions. Also, I solved so many papers and so many practice questions with these teachers with this VRaZ Academy, which really helped me a lot in my entrance exam, only because of which I could easily crack my desired college in the entrance exam. So I am pursuing my engineering through my desired college, all because of the VRaZ Academy. So I definitely recommend all of you the VRaZ Academy, as the motto speaks itself, VRaZ, the path of excellence and satisfaction. Thank you.